what are you like at home? Are you somebody who's completely different, or do you always consume high art?
Being education is also a matter of transmission, and in the transmission is because I think personally that our life are short, and if you have to give the best of what we have been given, we have to give it back. So all that question is something that always keep my time busy.
Wow, that was a nice one. He's a man who has started initiating the process of changing the existing pedagogies, who believes that creativity and technology's union can bear students who can contribute to the culture, which became the base for Ecole Intuit Lab, an institution which swears by the educational concept which is based on blending of academics and professionals. Let us welcome the founder of Ecole Intuit Lab, Mr. Clément Deroc.
Bonjour.
Bonjour,
Merci.
bonjour. Asseyez-vous.
Merci.
That's all the French I know. I found Clément's journey particularly interesting, starting with 3 Ps, from Pondicherry to Paris to Prabhadevi,
Exactly.
right? But I'll let you explain it. What led to the birth of this educationist in you, and what was the main idea behind these Ecole Intuit Labs?
I started to be educationist 20 years back. It was more because from the profession. And we observed after starting a design agency in Paris that the approach of design today for the industry wasn't from the academics totally ready. And that's why we decided, because I had a lot of connection with the institution and academics, we decided to create a school to give a new approach of the curriculum and make the student industry ready.
All right, that's good. Actually, creativity is at the heart of your institution, and here we have someone who has to say something about creativity.
I think intrinsically everyone's born creative. I don't think it's something that can be taught, but I think what we try to do at Ecole is to hone that skill. I think the way Ecole does it is also with a lot of faculty professionals from all different walks of life, which is what its strength is, because it's not that the teachers here are full-time teachers, but everyone is taking time out of their professional lives to teach for a subject once a week, twice a week, depending on the need of the class. So in that respect, it can't really be taught, but I do think that honing that skill gives the students the ability to then venture out and own whatever it is that they want to pursue in their career.
Well, I thought that's pretty good. But, do you think the present generation or the education we have right now, it lacks creativity first? And two, is creativity important? And is that, how do you bring that all in your Ecole Intuit Labs?
Look, if you consider that the older humankind since the Industrial Revolution went into the rationalism, and like you, I guess, your experience was a banker and you moved to a writer.
Writing, yes.
So I think we should give the opportunity to rise back again the creativity in our souls, because the world is too much ruled by the rationalism, and the creativity could change the world because the approach is totally different. So that's why we truly believe that being in arts doesn't mean you will not get a job, and the job is as much important than the being traded at Wall Street.
Yeah, that's good. Because a lot of people think like if you're creative types, you're the poor types.
Exactly.
That doesn't have to be, because a lot of creativity is in big demand today. But and that's happening because of your workshops, which are very interesting, and some inputs I have on the workshops, but I'll not get them from you. Again, I have something to show you.
The great thing about Ecole is industry professionals like me get a chance to work with students, teach them in real time, not just design principles and design philosophies, but in the actual application and engineering of design. Most of the professionals here are currently working in industry. We have great respect for each other, and we tend to discuss different students, we tend to discuss different life projects because we all either have our own agencies or we work with very, very prominent companies. This helps us understand how we can better education for not just the students but also help focus on areas where we think are lacking today for India.
That does sound really interesting, and I think I haven't personally seen that many institutes or colleges offering that kind of curriculum. So I think congratulations on that for doing something like that. But like I said, your journey began with the first piece, Pondicherry. Any childhood memories of Pondicherry, or I think you moved to Paris at 6?
6, exactly.
So between Pondicherry and Paris, any childhood memories?
Well, the only thing I remember when I was, it's always quite a rude experience when you are cut off from your roots and then suddenly your parents decided to move you away from your family.
It's like Life of Pi, except you didn't go on a ship, I hope.
No. I took the plane for the first time, and it was funny. I remember my grandmother gave me a box of sweets, and we took a train. It was the longest journey of train I had in my life. Of course, it was my first train trip from Pondicherry to Mumbai.
Oh wow!
So like 3 days trip, and so the only box of sweets I had with the brand was Quality Street, something like that. It was in an iron box, and it was funny because my mom told me, you can start conversation with other people by offering these sweets. So it lasts till we reached Bombay, and I discovered the world of the people in the train at that time.
Yeah, maybe that's where it started, this whole communication and presenting something. But that's true, Indian trains, people, when you take a lot of sweets on an Indian train, you are not the only one eating them, right? We have one of your students actually,
Oh.
And let's see what he has to say on Ecole Intuit Labs and how, the place might have touched their life.
I obviously worked on a few projects with Clément, the founder of Ecole Intuit Lab. He is very invigorating as a person, like his personality. I love talking to him because he's very knowledgeable, and every time I talk to him, my mind is open to something new. I learn something new every time I talk to him. In my second year, I was selected to go for an exchange program to Aix-en-Provence in the south of France. For a semester, and that was an insane experience. I learned so much because I was surrounded by different people from a different culture, and I was learning so much every day. I was learning something new every day. I was speaking a different language, living a different culture.
Well, that must feel good to see.
Yeah, very nice.
Why would you call your institution, Ecole Intuit Lab, a great place to study?
Because we think that coming from the background of the industry, mixing industry and blending industry with the academics give us always the opportunity for the students to be updated, which is lacking with most of the academies. Is if you learn what we have learned generation after generation, you are not sticking really with the boom of internet, with the boom of social media. We need designers, we need creative people on this field, and the industry always moves. So the best view of having this changing all the time is to having a curriculum adapted to guest lecturer coming from the industry. So I can ensure that this curriculum helps the student to be really updated and stuck with the market when he's graduates and ready for the industry.
Well, we have someone here on that screen again and wanting to share something.
So design is perceived as a very artistic medium throughout, but one of the things that studying here has taught me is the fact that there's a lot of reasoning and thought that goes into the design process, and that I feel is one of the biggest takeaways I've taken from this course. When it comes to the internship, while most of the students look for internships themselves, Ecole does provide an event called Design XD where we put up our work around, and if someone from the industry likes our work, there's a QR code next to our work so they can scan it and immediately get in touch with us. The internship was a very different experience compared to how school is on a day-to-day basis. school has always been like one assignment to the other at the end of the day. But with work, we have a lot more brainstorming sessions, there's a lot more meetings with clients, so we understand exactly what is needed. And that's what the main difference was when it comes to doing an internship compared to college life.
Well, I thought that's pretty good. How are you as a student? Were you always the studious types? Is France like that? Like you have to do engineering, you have to do medicine like we have in India and nothing else really exists? Or what were you like as a student? What kind of a, environment you were in?
Well, I guess because from an Indian family, of course, obviously I wanted to satisfy my parents. So I chose technical engineer orientation first, and I was a dreamer.
So they were kind of keen because of their Indian roots that they wanted you to be an engineer?
So you can't push back in Indian education, or it's in the DNA, obviously. I wanted to follow technical engineering, but I was a dreamer. I was drawing all the time and not that good at school. And then it changed when I decided to move to the architecture school because it was more adapted, and then I find my way at that time, but not in the childhood.
You are this person, educationist to the world, but what are you like at home? Are you somebody who's completely different, or do you always consume high art and you're always, connoisseur of like creative things at home, or you just like to relax? What do you do for fun? What are you like at home?
Yes, curating all the time what's happened, and mostly today with you can follow all the artists on Instagram, so it's always a nice time to spend. At the same time, always searching about what is the meaning about all what we're doing, And I mean, being education is also a matter of transmission. And in the transmission is because I think personally that our life are short, and if you have to give the best of what we have been given, we have to give it back. So all that question is something that's always keep my time busy, and of course trying to do the same with your own kids is always time to spend with them.
Well, before we end, let's capture this moment, this memory. So we have a beautiful photo hanger which we are slowly filling up over there. So let's go there and get a picture for for our memories. And I'll tell the photographer to help us with that. Come. Your journey is amazing. It's no less than a film in itself. The intention towards establishing Ecole Intuit Lab, the workshops, I think such institutions are the need of the hour to create balanced professionals. Thank you for throwing so much light into this area. I wish you and the entire Ecole family all the best. Thank you for coming on the show. And guys, that's all for today. Keep watching Great Place to Study's Education Evangelist of India, streaming now on ForbesIndia.com. This is me, Chetan Bhagat, saying goodbye for this episode. Thank you.